Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Ahmad Faisal Karim dari Prodi Sistem Informasi Almata Yogyakarta. Dan pada kali ini saya akan mempresentasikan tentang HTML untuk memenuhi English Assessment. Baik, langsung saja. You need to know what is HTML. HTML is the link used to create web pages. For those of you who are in the world of gadget and computer science, you must familiar with the various codes in it. HTML is short for Hypertext Markup Language. In contrast to ordinary people maybe use here the term HTML alone, without knowing the meaning of HTML and its actual use, mainly the intent behind structured codes. The HTML codes ensures proper formatting of text and image for internet browser. Without HTML, the browser would not know how to display text as element or load an image or other element. The following is a complete understanding with function and a brief history. HTML is the standard programming language used to create web pages which are set via the internet. Abbreviation for Hypertext Markup Language or Markup Language reported by text term. Hypertext refer to hyperlink that may be contained in HTML spec. This markup language refer to the way text are used to define the layout of the page and the element within the page. HTML is structure based on certain codes and symbols which are included in a file or document, so that it can be displayed on computer screen and can be understood by internet user. A string as word contain hypertext itself in internet as a method used to move web pages to other pages. After clicking of the text or symbol that appear on the website page, then the term markup is defined as assuming that HTML text to do the text in it. For example, if you type a text with a type mark, then the text will appear in bold or bold on the website page. HTML function. HTML function quoted from computer pop. HTML is used to create electronic documents that are displayed on the World Wide Web. Each page contains a series of connections to other pages called hyperlink. Every web page you see on the internet is written using a version of the HTML code of owner. The HTML code ensures proper formatting of text and image for internet browser. Without HTML, the browser would not know how to display text as an element or load an image or other element. HTML also provides the basic structure of the page over which cascading style state are stated to change their operation. HTML is considered as the bone of a page and CSS as the skin or appearance. Here's the HTML function. Number 1. The main function of HTML is to create a web page that can be read and understood more easily. All web pages on the internet are made with HTML. There are exceptions. Number 2. Boxmark. Text on opaque HTML is written on one document. Page width contain text or symbol. The symbol and stack will make the text upper bold, italic, underline, and so on. For example, if you make text italic or italic, the HTML page must word code for bold and text for underline stack. Number 3, as the basic of the website. The website creates currently a several feature pages using JavaScript to manage web behavior, implementation of PHP server programming language, and web design using CSS. All of these links can be implemented if the web has HTML as its base link. Number 4, display tabs, picture, videos, and more generally on a web or blog page. We can't directly put tables, picture of videos, so each text component are placed on the web using the HTML link. Number 5, marks element and create online form HTML function to mark part of the website, including header, footer, main, navigation, and so on. In addition, HTML is also used as links in creating digital form or online form. History of HTML. HTML was first developed by Tim Berners-Lee of the European Organization for Nuclear Research. This markup language of HTML was created by a company selling hardware and software, namely IBM, or International Business Machines. Around the 1980, IBM created a language that combination tag or symbol in stack in a document. The language created by IBM is known as markup language or generalized markup language. Then the release of the first version of HTML written by Tim Berners-Lee in 1993, quoted from Washington Edu system there have been many different versions of HTML. The most widely used version through the 2000 was HTML 4.01, which became the official standard design Desember 1999. Another version, XHTML, is a word of HTML as an XML link. XML is the standard markup language used to create other markup languages. Hundreds of XML links are still in use today, including GML, Geography Markup Language, MathML, MusicML, and RSE, Real Simple Synthesis. HTML became on the official standard in 2000 and updated in 2002. XHTML is very similar to HTML but has stricter rules. Strict rules are record of all XML link features without the time interoperability between applications is impossible. Most pages on the web today are created using HTML 4.01 or XHTML 1.0. However, in recent years, the Witry School has collaborated in another organization, the WAF-Wiki. They have been working on a new version of HTML, namely HTML5. Since 2011, HTML5 is still a draft version and is not yet an official standard. Baik, terima kasih teman-teman semua yang telah mendengarkan presentasi dari saya. Walaupun kurang jelas bahasanya, semoga dapat menjadi tambahan ilmu buat rekan-rekan semua. Dari saya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.